welcome to 4330 21st Street in the heart of Eureka and Noe Valley in San Francisco. This gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with over 2,400 square feet of perfection is one you don't want to miss. Let's go take a look and see what this special home has to offer. So what did you think? Isn't this home amazing? I'd say so myself. If you have any questions about this property or the area in general, please feel free to contact us. Otherwise, we look forward to seeing you at one of our open houses, or feel free to contact us for a private tour.